5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. You're going to go right to right and prep. 5, 6, 7. Give her a triple turn. 1, 2, 3. Back charge. 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to pull her in on 1. 1. So now I'm going to push through the frame with the palms up. 2. The palms are going to stay up as it goes over her head. 3. Now my left hand is going to go behind my back as I start back charging. 5. Get close to her so she can see the hand. 6, 7. So now on 1, this arm is going to be going over the head, but the lead is actually happening with the left hand to bring her forward. 1. So now from here, I'm going to keep letting her go forward as I pull, giving her 1.5 right. Guys, hook. 2. Hammer lock her. 3. Catch with the right hand, with the left hand and back charge. 5, 6, 7. So from here, I'm going to ask for the right hand, give her a Copa on 1. The lead is going to be in the left hand. Guys, hook on 2. 2. As the right arm starts coming over, we're going to turn her on 3. Go back to back, and guys, right turn. 5, 6, 7. Leaving the left hand down, right hand up. So now I'm going to lead her 2 steps forward. 1, 2. Let go of the left hand. Pull through. 3. Change the hand and check. 5, 6, 7. So from here, I'm going to get off the slot. Flick. 1, 2. Turn her 3. Guys, turn. 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Triple. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Open up forward on 1. Turn 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Make sure you catch with the left hand. Now go forward on 1. Turn to the right. 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Go back. 1, 2. Turn 3. 5, 6, 7. Go forward. 1, 2. Turn 3. 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2. Turn to the left. 3. 5, 6, 7. Cross the lead. Turn 3. 5, 6, 7.
Hello guys, this is Valeria from Casa. We really hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the subscribe button right here. That way you never miss our latest update. We also have a website. Check it out. The link in the description. That way we can also have a live class together. See you there!